From powering Bhutan to helping hurricanes and global security challenges, here's what's shaping India's international story right now. Kidnapping of Indians in Mali. 5 Indians were kidnapped in Mali amidst rising militant violence linked to Al Qaeda and ISIS groups. This raises security concerns for Indian citizens in West Africa, prompting diplomatic efforts for their safe release. India's humanitarian relief in the Caribbean. India has extended humanitarian aid to Jamaica and Cuba following Hurricane Melissa. Both countries have expressed gratitude, reflecting India's growing global role in disaster relief and international solidarity. Political tensions in Latin America. Peru denied asylum to a former prime minister seeking refuge in Mexico, escalating political tensions in the region. This incident reflects continued instability and complex diplomatic challenges in Latin America. Indian engagement in Bhutan. Prime Minister Modi is visiting Bhutan to inaugurate the Punat Sangchu 2 hydropower project, which boosts Bhutan's power capacity by 40%. He will also review 2 India-Bhutan railway projects enhancing regional connectivity and trade, strengthening the strategic partnership. India's role in Sri Lanka's renewable energy. India supports wind power projects in Sri Lanka's Mannar Islands. These efforts face scrutiny as local activists demand genuine consent and transparency, highlighting the sensitive balance of development and community concerns in renewable energy. Stay connected for more quick updates on India's global impact and international affairs.